So Dan, can you tell us in this area here, where are we? And then I don't understand the cowhide.
I like the decoration.
Thank you. We try to keep it as nice as possible. So right now we're in the main hold of the Pilgrim. So we were just above deck. Now we're below the deck.
Okay.
So right now what we use it for is having the kids. The kids actually sleep aboard the ship right here while they're doing their overnight program with us. But what it would have been used in 1834 and 1835, this area would have been used for cowhides. So they were called bullock hides at the time, and what they would do is the whole point of the trip was to go from Boston to California to collect these cowhides from the rancheros in places like San Juan Capistrano.
Yeah.
When they would collect those cowhides, they had to put them somewhere on the ship. So this whole area would have been covered in cowhides, about 15,000 cowhides. Yeah, California didn't really have a whole lot of manufacturing at the time, and Boston did.
Yeah.
So they would take the hides from here, bring them back to Boston, turn them into things like saddles and boots and other leather goods.
Sure.
Bring them back to California, trade them for more cowhides, and then go back and do the whole process.
How long of a journey was that?
They would sign up for 2-year stints, go from Boston around Cape Horn, so some of the worst weather in the entire world, some of the worst seas. Some sailors died along the way, and they would go up to California, collect the hides, and come on back.
And that's the 2 years. A year to get here and a year to get back.
That's typically the 2 years.
We take long trips.
And that's their life. That was their life. And a lot of the sailors were treated really, really poorly. And that's one of the things that Richard Henry Dana, he recognized while he was on the ship. Most sailors were really uneducated. Richard Henry Dana, that wasn't the case for him. He was a Harvard-trained lawyer. When he got back to Boston, he went back and finished his law degree and then wrote a lot of the maritime laws that are still in place today and gave sailors the rights that they have.
And when did they name Dana Point after him?
Yeah, this area was named Dana Point in the book 2 years before the mast. He wrote about San Juan Bay and called it the only romantic spot in all of California.
Oh my.
He actually didn't like California all that much, but San Juan Bay, Dana Point now, is the one area that he did admire and really thought it had a lot of beauty and romanticism. And one of the things that people don't know is the same time Richard Henry Dana was going around Cape Horn, Charles Darwin was heading to the Galapagos as well. So the HMS Beagle and the brig Pilgrim basically passed right by each other.